Hi there, students. Forfeit. Yeah, notice the pronunciation. Forfeit. Most commonly this is a verb, although it could be used as a noun or an adjective. We also have the noun forfeiture. Yeah, forfeiture. Okay, to forfeit means to lose something because you have done something wrong, or because you have not complied with the rules and regulations. If you do not pay your mortgage, you will forfeit your house. You will lose it. So to forfeit, to lose something for failure to comply with the regulations, with the terms of the contract, with the rules in force, with the law. So they often use this in sports, meaning to lose a match because you don't comply with the regulations. The other team did not arrive in time to play the match, and they forfeited the match. They are deemed to have lost the match without playing it because they haven't complied with the regulations. A tennis player who hits balls at the umpire, well, he could forfeit the match, be declared the loser without anything more for breaking the rules. If you don't register before the 14th, you will forfeit your right to vote. So if you don't follow the regulations, you will lose your right. In some parlour games of people, a forfeit is something you have to do if you lose or you make a mistake. In strip poker, you forfeit, you lose a piece of clothing. But a forfeit, it could be a fine you have to pay, or maybe you have to take a drink or something like that. So, to forfeit, to relinquish, to give up, to surrender, to kiss goodbye to. Meaning to lose something because you've done something wrong. By lying to me, you forfeited any right to my respect. To lose or surrender something as a fine or penalty for wrongdoing. He was found guilty of money laundering, and all his assets were declared forfeit. After the revolution, all of the royal family's assets were forfeited to the state. They were given up. So to forfeit, what about formality? I'd probably give this a 6 or a 7 in formality. Notice as well, it's a regular verb. They forfeited the match. They have forfeited the right to do this. So 6 to 7 in formality. I think informally maybe to lose, to have confiscated or something like that. Okay, as to origin, we have an old French word forfait. Well, we have a modern word forfait, but it has a different meaning. The old French word forfait was a crime, and this came from the verb forfaire, meaning to transgress. So, yeah, if you transgress, you will get a fine, you will forfeit something. So to forfeit, to lose the right to something, to lose something because you do something wrong and it's extracted as a fine, or because you don't comply with certain regulations. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Forfeit.